Committee will come to order.
Protests on Capitol Hill. Demonstrators in wheelchairs disrupting lawmakers with chants of no cuts to Medicaid. As the House Committee on Energy and Commerce considered cutting the program by $880 billion over 10 years.
My message to Congress, again, is not to make these cuts to Medicaid because it's going to be a negative downfall on the disability community.
These savings would be achieved by imposing work requirements on able-bodied adults, as well as new measures to verify eligibility. Republicans argue that they're cracking down on waste, fraud, and abuse.
Medicaid was created to protect health care for Americans who otherwise could not support themselves. But Democrats expanded the program far beyond this core mission.
Can't we afford to take care of our families?
But Democrats charge that these cuts would deny care to people who desperately need it. The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office reported that at least 8.6 million more Americans would go uninsured under this plan.
When they don't have Medicaid, they come to our hospitals regardless.
Charlene McDonald is from the Federation of American Hospitals and says that these cuts would hurt hospitals by forcing them to pick up the tab for uninsured patients.
Poll after poll shows that voters do not want major cuts to Medicaid, and that includes Republicans.
Also up for debate on Tuesday, trillions of dollars in proposed tax cuts before the Ways and Means Committee. The Republican plan includes an extension to the 2017 Trump tax cuts worth trillions of dollars, as well as President Trump's campaign proposals, including no taxes on tips or overtime. President Trump has called on Republicans to unify behind this plan, writing on Monday, "The bill is great. We have no alternative. We must win." Also on Capitol Hill, the Agriculture Committee is weighing a spending cut of $230 billion. This would be paid for by overhauling the anti-hunger program known as SNAP by transferring some of those costs to the states. Reporting in Washington, I'm Evan Koslof, Spectrum News.